Another new offering from Heritage for classic 190 SLs is our, as of December 2017, is our bow drill kit. Our bow drill is supplied as 4 rectangles to cover the wooden bows for the 190. One for the big rectangle for the front piece, as you can see, in the herringbone pattern Dolby material. One rectangle for the rear bow, which is seen here within the plastic, and I will explain why it's not covered in a moment. And then 2 smaller rectangles to cover these side woods. As you can see, they're not a particularly easy thing to cover. Most of it is not seen when it's installed, but we had originals, and it's exactly how Mercedes cover them. As of December 2017, we also offer retrim services for these pieces. You can send us your wood, so we strongly recommend the use of new woods. It's false economy to try to use old 60-year-old plus woods. It just, again, should be all new if you're doing a nice restoration. You don't want those woods failing when the trimmer gets to staple into it for the convertible top. So if you send us the reproduction woods, which will soon be available from us, we can recover them like this and send them back. Again, there's a rate on our price list, as there is for the cover. So there's a cover kit that we can send, the 4 rectangles, or you can send us the pieces, and for a charge we install the covers on. This is how we do the front. This has to be installed now and finished off on the convertible top frame. The rear bow is a completely different story. This bow cannot be covered until it's offered and fixed onto the car. So this cover is done on this piece as it's installed onto the frame. And we do not want you to send us the frames. We don't want to get involved with shipping frames and other issues. So anyway, that's that. That new kit is available from us, and yeah, I think a great addition to any full restoration.